Yellowstone National Park is one of the most extraordinary natural destinations in the world, and the first national park ever established. Located mainly in the U.S. state of Wyoming, with parts extending into Montana and Idaho, the park covers nearly 3,500 square miles of wilderness, mountains, forests, and lakes. Yellowstone is famous for its geothermal features, including more than 500 geysers, making it home to over half of the world's active geysers. The most iconic of these is Old Faithful, a powerful geyser that erupts regularly, shooting hot water high into the sky. The park is also known for its stunning natural landscapes, including colorful hot springs, deep canyons, and dramatic waterfalls. One of the most photographed spots in the park is the Grand Prismatic Spring, the largest hot spring in the United States. Famous for its vibrant, rainbow-like colors created by heat-loving bacteria. Visitors can also explore the breathtaking Yellowstone Grand Canyon, where the Yellowstone River plunges over massive waterfalls surrounded by bright yellow and orange canyon walls. Yellowstone is not only a geological wonder, but also one of the best places in North America to see wildlife. Animals such as bison, elk, wolves, bears, and bald eagles roam freely across the park's vast landscapes. Established in 1872, Yellowstone remains a symbol of natural conservation and adventure, attracting millions of visitors every year who come to experience its raw beauty, powerful geothermal activity, and unforgettable wilderness scenery.